Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix. You'll need a new app to open this Windows Defender link in Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. So at the bottom search bar, you need to type for PowerShell. Once you've typed that, a best match, which is a system called Windows PowerShell, will appear. Go with Run as administrator and click on Yes when your user account control will ask you to say yes. Okay, so here you need to type this command. Just follow this commands, this three commands, okay? Click enter, and here you would be able to see execution policy changed. Just have to type on yes just have to confirm your action by typing A, meaning yes. Okay, and then click on enter. And here, just have to wait until the process will be done. Okay, and then go with the second. Okay, so just have to paste the second, which is this. And then you need to click on enter, and it will take some time, maybe 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so I will not go further because I'm not facing any issues. In your case, you have to follow all of this. Okay, so I want to assure that this is harmless. Okay, and it will only fix the problem for you. Okay, just have to be patient for waiting. Okay, and once you're done with the second command, proceed by typing this third command. Okay, so just have to type it here again at the Windows PowerShell and then click on enter. And once it is being done, you need to close this Windows PowerShell window and check if your problem has been fixed. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care, everyone.